Hello, everybody. How are you doing? This is Patty's Southern Kitchen and More. And I am going to show you guys, I hope all is well with you all. Please thumbs up and like and ring the notification bell. Okay, I kind of briefly showed you guys this insecticide that I bought from Amazon, and here it is. It comes in an envelope like this. Two packets come together, and it is called Demon WP, and it is a chemical, and it's used to combat ants, cockroaches, crickets, spiders, and other insect pests. So here it is, and that's what the pack looks like. And I went out to Lowe's and bought this sprayer. We had one, but it was old, so I bought this new sprayer, and I am going to mix a pack of this to a gallon of water. And this is a 1 gallon sprayer. And you can see the different things and ways you can use the sprayer. Okay. And this, I guess, is somewhat of an unboxing as well from Lowe's. Okay. And this is what the sprayer looks like. Here it is. And it's called Bleach and More brand. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. Oh, this is a part to that, and these are instructions and setup. So I'm going to get this all set up, and then I'll bring you back and show you. This is the tube here. So I'll bring you back when we get it all set up and show it to you guys. Hold tight, just a minute. Okay guys, these are the 4 water soluble packets that come in this envelope. And this is a disclaimer. I am not recommending anybody use this. We use it outside. You have to be very careful with it. It is a chemical, and you don't want to spray this outside around your children or your pets or around your plants. I don't spray it around my plants either, but that's what I'll be using outside for the spiders and other insects. Okay, I have put this together just to show you what this looks like. It's put together, and here's the tubing. I have 1 gallon of water in it, and I will drop one of these little packets in the water and let it dissolve, and then I'll just get around the house sprayed. And this is again what the pack looks like. I'm not recommending this in any shape, form, or fashion. Just showing you what I will be using around the outside of my home. So okay guys, I hope you have enjoyed the unboxing of the sprayer that I have here. And I put 1 gallon of water in this sprayer. This sprayer is a 1-gallon sprayer. So usually when I spray for the ants and the spiders outside, that takes care of everything. So one year we had a problem with wasp. You couldn't come out of the back door for the wasp, and we called in a pest control, and they went on top of the house and they sprayed all around the eaves and everything, and it really got rid of those wasps. But you know, during these hot months, summer and spring, especially in the south, all kinds of pests come out and be flying around. So we have to take care of these issues and be careful at the same time. So I hope you guys have an amazing Monday, a great rest of your week, and I will talk to you guys on the next one.